back from the dead.
Hey, what's up guys? We are back here. It is Saturday. It's been a busy morning for me. I had to go to work for a little bit. I had to go pay rent, put a little bit of gas in the van. My mom was supposed to use the van today, but she decided not to because it's way too hot. It has no AC. But we've been getting all that done. But I'm here now to get working on the car. Last night when I got home, after going out to eat, guys, with my lady, I decided to start wrapping up some of the harness. So I got that majority done. I ran out of electrical tape, but I got most of it wrapped up. So we're gonna get it plugged in and make sure there's no issues with any of the wiring. I should have done this maybe before I started wrapping it, but oh well, live and learn. But cross fingers, hopefully nothing's wrong. Let's go get to it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright guys, so we just got all the wiring put in, plugged in. We're gonna see if everything works and hopefully the car don't blow up. Hopefully there ain't a fire. If there is, I guess I'm just gonna have to stop, drop, and roll like they taught us back in school. Hopefully not. But I just want to state too that, man, today it's hot. I am sweating. It is hot, guys. Where did winter go? You know, it never even came. It's just been so dang hot lately, you know. It needs to cool down a little bit so we can get in these cars, and I like to work in a cooler environment, you know. But let's get this started real quick and see how it goes. Dang. Guys, that sounded very healthy. That sounded really good. We did the job right, guys. I am really happy. I don't smell nothing burning. My fuse that blew already too if there was something wrong. Rev it real quick. Yeah guys, it sounds good. It feels good. But let me get all this stuff out of here, all this trash and stuff, guys. We'll take it for a quick test drive, and then we'll before we button everything up, start zip tying everything where we want it to go. But let me get that done real quick. Alright guys, we just got done for the day. I am excited because it was a really hot day, guys. Kind of miserable, but hey, I'm excited now because at least it's mostly done. I'll show you guys how the inside looks of the car right now. Kind of cut out the middle of the dash, but I don't know, I need to do something with it. We'll figure it out though. So the wires run down, everything's clean looking, runs all the way down to right here. This box stays right there, and then when we come over here, we got the middle section cut out, temperature gauge right there, guys. Everything tucked behind the bar, and then when you look underneath here, you don't see nothing anymore. All the wires been gone. The ground that was like right over here, I rerouted the ground up here. There's no wires coming down because I have a leak right over here in this area, and it leaks. And so the problem I was having was that every time it rained or I washed the car, it got the power steering module box was right there, and it would get wet, and then my power steering wouldn't work. So I moved all that up past it and away from it. So now if it leaks, it's just gonna drip on the floor. I'm not worried about it because I got all the holes in the floor and I really don't care. So it could just roll right out. I don't care. You know, this thing can be waterproof. It's stripped down, and once you strip a car down, you know, this is really waterproof. So. But I moved everything up out of the way of any kind of water soak or anything like that. That we won't have to worry about that in the future or anything like that. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. It would do me a big favor. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Also, if you are new to this channel and you like what you see, or you want to see further videos and you want to see us continue to progress and get better, please hit that subscribe button. That would help out a lot too. Make sure to share this and tell all your friends about it. I highly appreciate it. And if you hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button, you guys will get notified when my next video comes out. So you guys will never miss a video when it comes out. So make sure to hit that. Until next time, I really guys appreciate all the support and love. Peace.